Okay, I'm going to build a butterfly house, and I got a bunch of this wood here, a big old stack of it. Factory was throwing it away because it had holes in it, and it wasn't the size they needed. And I'm going to cut the holes out and make parts for a butterfly house. Not the ideal wood, but I think it is Russian plywood, is what they said it was. And here I go. Okay, there is my table saw, and I have ripped my boards down to 15 inches long, 5.5 inches wide, and I have marked holes to be drilled, 5 holes. And what I did is I drilled a 1/2 inch hole at each end of the holes so I can make slots for the butterflies. Okay, you can see I have done my holes with my trusty drill press, little bitty thing, but it gets the job done. And the holes are going to be 2 3/4 this way. They're 2 1/4 down, and from the bottom they're 1 1/4. So it's 1 1/4 here, 2 3/4 to the centers, and then this one is just right in the center, and that'd be about 5.5 inches to the center, or no, 5.5 to the bottom of the hole, and then this from center to center will be 2 3/4. Alrighty, now all I got to do is go in my other building and cut out with my scroll saw the little openings. Now I thought I'd better cut to the top and the bottom first. This here is going to be the top, and it's 5.5 inches by 7 inches, and this is going to be the bottom, and it's 5.5, or no, it's 6 1/4 by 3 1/4, or no, 6 1/4 by 3 1/2. Oh heck, I'll have to measure it. I can't remember how big I cut it. Five by 6 1/4. This one is 5.5 by 7. Okay, now I need to go in and cut these out. Alrighty, this is my Porter Cable scroll saw. It is a really good saw. I like the fact that it's got a quick release that you can pull the lever, and then you can just unscrew that and it comes right off. Pop your foot up, and of course with one hand you can't do it. Tighten your screw down, and ba-ding. Now you have all the slots for your butterfly house. I'm not too good on using the saw yet, still new to me. But it works really well. Got a nice little blower, nice light. And now I'm ready to assemble my butterfly house. Notice I marked top and bottom, so I would know there's a difference in the space here and here. Alrighty. Okay, I got me some tree bark from some wood that I burned in my fireplace, and I have stapled it to the inside of my butterfly house wall, and I guess you could put one on each side, but it doesn't matter, just as long as they have a piece in there or a tree branch or something to cling to. And I just stapled it on. You can glue it, nail it, hot glue it. Actually, I didn't staple it, I used a nail gun with some small nails. But yeah, Alrighty, now it's on to assembling the box. Okay, my butterfly house is done. And the bottom here, I put 4 screws in it, so I can take it off maybe if I have to clean it out or fix it or work on it or something, so I can see inside. And the top, I just used some finish nails and nailed it on, and it's all done. Butterfly houses shouldn't be over 1 foot to 2 foot off the ground. You can put a post in the ground and mount them, set them on top of it, or you can get you a big rock and set it on top of the rock and set it close to your flowers. And you can paint it or you can leave it plain. I'm going to paint this one sometime in the future. I don't know what color, but I think I'll paint some flowers or something and maybe write butterfly down the side of it. I hope you enjoyed my butterfly house building project.